if you've seen my videos before, you probably know that I'm pretty into Rode mics products. And today we've got a bit of an accessory for you, and it is the WS14, which is basically a pop filter cover for the Rode PodMic or the Rode PodMic USB. This is the blue variety. They come in all the usual Rode colors, like the cables, like the accents, but this is the PodMic itself cover. And so we're going to open up, see what's in the box. Brand new, out of the box. Let's see if we can figure out how to open this thing. Got my trusty knife. Now I can see we've got a spot at the bottom here where there's a bit of a label, so we're going to cut through that. Nice and easy. We're just going to pull that back. Now Rode usually put together their stuff fairly well, so... And then we pull it out, and you can see right in the box there is the cover. And just like it says on the cover, it's the blue accented pop filter. That's like a thicker, more sturdy sort of foam in between the blue accents there than I thought. So that is actually quite good. It's quite good. Now this will go over the PodMic, which I'll show you in some B-roll just now. All right, so here's the PodMic. And here's the cover. So let's put it on and see how it fits and all that sort of stuff. So very straightforward. We should be able to, you can see there's these cutouts here. They correspond with these. And it should just slide directly on like that. And that's pretty much it. Then the microphone is there ready to go. And remember, if you've got a PodMic, this is a top addressing PodMic. So this part here is what you talk into, not the sides, not any of the sides, but this part here. Just make sure that's all nice and snug. It feels nice and snug. You can tell that that's in place because the two sort of indents sort of slot in either side of this yoke, and then we're good to go. We can talk into the microphone like this, and that is all that's in the box, because for an accessory that's a pretty simple thing. So that's the box. So yes, as I mentioned at the top, it will work on the PodMic and the PodMic USB because they're basically the same size. And go on, and we address the microphone thus. Very simple, very short. What's in the box? The Rode WS14, this is the blue, comes in the pinks and the greens and the oranges and so forth, and all the staple Rode default colors. If you've already got a Rode mic, this could be a nice accent accessory in your color theme of choice. It also acts as a pop filter at the same time, so you don't have to go out and get an outside brand one. You can go for the legit Rode. Yeah, that's Rode. That's WS14 pop filter cover for the Rode PodMic, the Rode PodMic USB. This is Doug, and I'll catch you later.